Pranjal.
And I am Vandana. We are coming soon on our YouTube channel, Karwaan,
Which is basically going to be our
travel vlog.
We all have passion in us.
And our passion of life is traveling.
True.
So we thought, why not share our travel experience with you guys too?
In fact, we want to take you guys along with us in this journey.
Through these videos, you are going to explore some offbeat and authentic places along with us.
Since we are based in Delhi, so we thought, why not to start our vlog with nearby getaways?
Our first video is coming soon.
Soon as in
Very soon.